The legalization of gambling in Brazil is getting closer. That's what real democracy means. The people are in favor, 58% voted at once. And the government immediately started drafting the necessary law. So, we can expect legal gambling and betting in Brazil very soon. What is known for now? Betting on traditional sports and esports will be allowed. Sports betting will be regulated by a new body, Ministry of Economy. Number of gambling licenses is not limited, but you will have to pay a lot for a license, about $4,400,000. Both local and foreign operators will be able to work and earn on the Brazilian market. Wondering how the gambling market works in different countries? Read the reviews on 3snet. In the meantime, all is well in Brazil. Right now, the activity of bookmakers and casinos in Brazil is not regulated in any way, and the authorities don't have any control methods and ways of blocking any casino and bookmaker websites. Meanwhile, the country has a golden audience in every sense, more than 200 billion people who like to bet and play games. According to a Google survey, 87% of players in Brazil gamble to distract and distress. Putting the emphasis on ease of entertainment, relaxation, a break from work and stress relief. How else can you attract Brazilians to betting sites? Brazilians do love football, that's a fact. Brazilians are very patriotic and they love their country, that's a fact number 2. Advertising can successfully use the colors of the national flag and the very idea of national unity. And of course, the Brazilians love a variety of promotions, special offers, bonuses, gifts, and the opportunity to save money. There are already well-known European brands in the Brazilian market, such as Unibet, BetSun, MarathonBet, 188Bet, BetDac, Betfair, Betfred, BetVictor, Ladbrokes, MyBet, Pinnacle Sports, TitanBet, Unibet, and William Hill. You will always find these and other brands in 3snet CPA affiliate network. Just choose and send traffic. What other countries are you interested in? Read about gambling and betting in Ukraine, Belarus, and Kazakhstan. Sign up not to miss our next episode.